Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can install Steam on your Chromebook. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information. So let's get on it. So Google recently revealed its plans to bring Steam to Chromebooks officially. And now we have a beta version of the app, and it is a very early version and only works on the following Chromebooks with at least an Intel Core i3 or a Ryzen 3 processor. So you also need at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. So here are those Chromebooks that you can install the beta version of the Steam. And always remember that that version of these Chromebooks with less than Intel Core of i3 or 8 gigabytes of RAM aren't supported. And additionally, users with Chromebooks that only have 8 gigabytes of RAM have reported issues running games that require 6 gigabyte of RAM. So another common problem is that computers with less than a 1080p screen can have scaling and performance discrepancies. So these are the models that can support the beta version of this theme. So you can go ahead and check if you have or if your device is on this list right here. And so if you have or if you have this Chromebooks that is in the list right here, follow the steps to get this theme for Chromebook Alpha. So the process is not complex as it sounds. So first, what you'll need to do is to open the app or settings app on your Chromebook and then go to the Chrome or about Chrome OS and select the additional details right there. And then next, the channel, and then select the change channel and then select developer unstable. And then hit the change channel and go back to about Chrome OS and let the computer update. And then after doing so, just restart the computer when it prompts you to. And after updating, open the Google Chrome and type this link right here in the address bar and just simply hit the enter on your keyboard. And find this right here and set the button next to the enabled, and you will see a restart button at the bottom of the flags menu, and click it to restart your Chromebook. And when the computer restarts, hit the search key and type Steam and pick at the top up of the results and then select install and let the process finish, and then lastly hit the launch Steam rather, and you can now log in and start playing. So remember that you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So that's it for this video. That's how you can install Steam on your Chromebook. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.